This example first demonstrates poor data quality. Not only is there significant noise due to poor detections, but there are also data gaps, holidays, leading to reduced swath coverage. Ultimately, this results in extensive manual cleaning, tighter line spacing, and repeated survey runs. In all cases, users spend more time on their surveys to get it right. The cause of these poor data is inadequate sonar settings. This often occurs with inexperienced users or users that are unable to continuously monitor sonar settings, or in uncrewed operations where uninterrupted focus on sonar settings is challenging. Once the user enables the SeaBat T-Series tracker option, the settings are automatically adjusted within a few pings, allowing clean data to be recorded at the maximum possible swath width.
Teledyne Marine. Everywhere you look.